Alright. Another problem to add to my list of problems is I can't get these out. I don't want to drill them out because that turned into a big disaster. If I drill these welds, this will become loose, and inside there's this whole mechanism, but I can't feed it through this little hole. So I'm thinking I'll drill these out. When I cut this bottom piece out, because it's just rotten, I'll cut a little slit right here and take this whole thing out the bottom. Hopefully I'll be able to adjust it and make this door fit right. Alright, we're all stripped down. Again, just like the last door, I left this because I'm going to be chopping this off anyway. But look at these. I got a pretty big dent coming out on that end. Then I got this massive dent right here, which I'm pretty sure stretched the metal out. So even if I were to try to hit this back up, I don't think I'm going to get it to be nice and flat again because of how stretched out it is. I mean, it's all over the place. So this part's caved in a little bit, but I feel like if I can knock this part down, it'll bring that part down. So actually works. So I placed this on the inside of the dent and hit this, so it kind of distributed the strike so it didn't just punch a hole through this sheet metal. And actually made it did pretty good job. Okay, cut the bottom out, and obviously I knew I was going to replace this. It's gross. It's not the final cut. I'm going to trim it up better when it comes time to put the replacement panels in, but I just wanted better access to the inside. Went ahead and drilled out all these welds. Other thing I need to do before I put the hinges back in, I gotta straighten this out. So I have a dent right here. So I got this block of wood, and I'm hitting here, and that energy is transferring through the wood into this metal and knocking the dent out on this side. Working pretty good so far. I don't know if I'm going to get it much better than that. This like is smushed down, so I'll lift this back up. I can do that right now, actually. Oof. The crack is where the damage is at. Can't forget, I need to weld that crack up that's right here. That's a little better. Might need to hammer this a little bit. Try to straighten this piece out a little bit. Okay, so I went and welded or tacked this in, but I realized I can't really get this in there and get it nice and tight, flush up against this from right here. So I think the easier thing to do would be take this back out, weld it onto here, and then set it in there. Well, all right, that's out. I'm gonna stick this in together as one piece and then set it back in there. Started raining, just great. That's all right. This is welded in, so this will go in here. Now I can actually move it around and adjust it, so that'll be nice to have adjustable hinges. But let me address this crack first, and then weld these. Huh? I don't know. Let's you go find your ass. Okay. This.
I'm not getting away.
You want to try hitting everything over?
No.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
So, stick it in. All right. You ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
Because me and Mommy and Lily's going to go to Target.
Oh, you're going to the store?
Yeah.
What you doing out here?
No, we're doing Target.
Sounds fun.
But I'm going with them.
Are you getting me anything? They're going to buy me a present?
I don't know. Well, we have to wait until it's birthday until we get a present.
What? I only get presents on my birthday?
Yeah.
Oh,
And even Christmas.
Oh, at least I got 2 days. Presents. That's good.
And so Christmas you get presents and your birthday you get presents.
Clean off these welds and see if this door fits now. Lift it up.
Well, not by myself.
I know, I'm helping you. I just need you to help lift it. It's very heavy.
Then why do you need me?
Because I'm not strong enough. I need your help.
Well, you need Hulk. I'm not Hulk.
I need Hulk?
Hulk, the Green Man.
The Green Man?
Yeah.
Okay, you can let go for a second? I think it's on there. Is it on? Okay, now I need you to grab that piece of wood that's underneath by your feet.
Oh, right here.
Yep. Stick it right here.
Stick it right there.
Yep. And hold it in place. Actually, let's slide this a little bit. There we go. Holding it.
Hello. Hello, people.
Okay, let's see how this
He
looks.
is doing. You will know what he is doing. Okay.
What do you think? It's a door that actually opens and closes. From here
step
down, we need to push that in. So this goes in. From here
Is it?
to about here.
I don't know what
So
you're
this needs to
already.
go out just a little bit because it's pushed in too far. So we need to pull this out, this edge. This needs to go in a little bit to about here. That's better. Turn it till it stops. It's nice and tight. Okay, spin it. Well, the other one was already in there, tight. Okay, so now we need to do this one. See those screws right there?
Oh, yes,
Hold on to the screwdriver, you're gonna need it still. Sorry. Too tall. Okay. We're gonna put, where do the buttons go?
Your buttons.
These ones. The new ones we bought.
Oh.
Go on there.
Ooh.
It's gonna look nice.
Oh,
Nice
can
white
I
button.
sit on this?
Yeah, you can sit on that.
Dad, I'm driving the car. I want to try the car.
Alright, we're gonna try something here. This is it. Hold on, stay in there. Put your foot in. Ready? Close it.
Yeah, it actually works.
Get this side again.
That's not matched up.
What do you think? Are we done for the day?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so too.
Tumbleweed garage.